Hi, thank you for visiting Creative with You. I'm Valerie Garston, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today we're going to be looking at this series, Tools and Techniques in 10 Minutes or Less. Today's topic is cleaning our stamps, and Stampin' Up offers two different ways to clean and take care of your stamps. Let's go ahead and take a look at them now. These are two options that Stampin' Up offers in cleaning stamps. The first is the Stampin Scrub. With the Stampin Scrub, you do need to have the Stampin Mist also. Or the other is the Simply Shammy. And with the Shammy, you also generally need a stamp case. So let me show you how these two work. The Stampin Scrub comes, it's a little package like this, and you just flip it open here. On one side, it's got two kind of fuzzy mats in it, and these do come out. So these come out. You can wash these and dry them. Do not put them in the dishwasher, they'll curl. But you can wash them with just soap and water and let them dry. On one side here, let me see if I can zoom you in. I guess that's as far as I go. There are little raindrops. So in this corner that's cut out, you can see little raindrops. And over here in this corner, there's a little sunshine. Yeah, there you can see it. So raindrops here, sunshine here. So what you need to do, let me bring you back out. What you do is you take the Stampin Mist and you put a couple squirts on the wet side, the side with the raindrops. Now here's a stamp that I used earlier, and what you do to clean it is you just rub it on the wet side and then you rub it on the dry side. This Stampin Mist helps to condition your stamps and protect them. So then you can take this off. Sometimes I get ink on my actual block and I will clean it the same way. I'll just flip it both sides and then it's done and ready to go. Okay, so this is the Stampin Scrub. The next thing I wanted to show you is the Shammy. So this one is really easy. This is the Simple Shammy, and what happens is you order this, you get a really pretty purple chamois. It's just a thick piece of, feels like foam. You add some water to it, and I keep mine in a stamp case. So this is just like the cases that you get with your Stampin' Up stamps. You just put some water on here and wipe off your stamps. You can see that I got the ink on there, but it doesn't come off. Like, it cleans off the stamp and then you're good and it's clean. This will end up looking really, really messy, but that's what it's supposed to be. That shows that you're using it. So these are the two options that Stampin' Up has for cleaning stamps, either the Stampin' Scrub or the Simple Shammy. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our page, and share our Tools and Techniques in 10 Minutes or Less series. And hit that bell so that you can get the notifications. Thanks for visiting.